It is day 4 of Milan Design Week. Please send help. I am going to a gallery and then I'm going to Restoration Hardware, aka RH, which just opened in Milan. And before I thought I would do a bunch of shorts recapping, but it's impossible because there's too much to see, too much to do, too much for a short video. So what I'm going to do is post a longer video of the entire week when I get a chance. But hopefully I can post about RH because I am curious about their whole plan expanding in Europe because the brand is not known here at all. And it's a very, to me, American brand. So we'll see. They do have a restaurant. I saw they have truffle pizza on the menu and some other interesting dishes. So, yeah. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. It's interesting how everything is written in English. That's interesting. I personally would have done both English and Italian. Again, I think the scale it's fascinating to me because who is the target demographic? It must be international clients who are coming from other places where they have massive estates because even in the largest Milan living room, the sofa, nah, they're doing a pop-up bar basso here.